Crash course on Switzerland. Local customs and etiquette. As you venture into the picturesque land of Switzerland, understanding the cultural norms, customs, and etiquette is essential to enhance your travel experience and foster positive interactions with the locals. Let me share some interesting stories and examples to excite you before we explore the top 12 attractions of local customs and etiquette in this country. Interesting stories and examples. 1. Swiss punctuality. In Switzerland, punctuality is highly valued, and being on time is considered a sign of respect. Trains and public transportation operate with impressive precision. 2. Greetings with handshakes. The Swiss greet each other with a firm handshake, maintaining direct eye contact. A casual nod or smile may be used for acquaintances. 3. Clean streets and quiet Sundays. Swiss cities and towns are known for their cleanliness. On Sundays and public holidays, a respectful silence is observed, and many shops remain closed. Top 12 attractions of local customs and etiquette in Switzerland. 1. Greetings and politeness. Embrace Swiss greetings with handshakes. Use polite phrases such as Guten Tag, good day, or bitte, please, and thank others with a sincere Danke. 2. Swiss German language. Learn some basic Swiss German phrases to communicate effectively, as it is the most commonly spoken language in the country. 3. Dining etiquette. When dining in someone's home or a restaurant, wait for the host to say Guten Appetit before starting your meal. Keep your hands on the table, and remember to say Danke after the meal. 4. Tipping culture. Tipping is not expected in Switzerland, as service charges are usually included in the bill. However, leaving a small tip for excellent service is appreciated. 5. Respect for nature. Switzerland takes pride in its pristine environment. Show respect for nature by properly disposing of trash and avoiding loud behavior in natural settings. 6. Dress code. Dress modestly and elegantly when visiting religious sites and upscale venues. Casual attire is generally acceptable for most other occasions. 7. Privacy and reserved behavior. The Swiss value their privacy, so avoid asking personal questions or intrusive conversations with strangers. 8. Public transport etiquette. On public transportation, maintain a quiet and respectful atmosphere, and always offer your seat to the elderly or pregnant passengers. 9. Queuing. Switzerland follows a strict queuing system. Always wait for your turn and maintain a line in an orderly manner. 10. Gifts and gestures. When invited to someone's home, consider bringing a small gift, such as chocolates or flowers, as a token of appreciation. 11. Swiss flag. Respect the Swiss flag, and avoid using it for anything other than its intended purpose. 12. Photography etiquette: ask for permission before taking photos of people or private properties, and be mindful of your surroundings. Summarizing this writing, Switzerland's local customs and etiquette reflect a sense of punctuality, respect for nature, and reserved behavior. Embrace the Swiss culture by greeting with handshakes, adhering to queuing etiquette, and respecting private spaces. By understanding and appreciating these customs, you'll create a positive impression and enjoy a more immersive travel experience in Switzerland. And now, a poem celebrating Switzerland's local customs and etiquette. In Switzerland's embrace, manners hold sway. Punctuality, a virtue on display. Greetings with handshakes, respect in each way. Etiquette guides through night and day. Politeness in language, Swiss Germans embrace. Dining with thanks, and a smile on the face. Nature revered, a pristine embrace. Tread lightly, leave no trace. Dress with elegance, modest and true. In public transport, a hushed rendezvous. Privacy cherished, with gestures askew. A land of grace, in customs we grew. Queuing with patience, a line so serene. Gifts of delight, a warm rapport gleaned. Flag of the Swiss, revered and seen. Respect and honor, in customs, convene. Through Swiss Alps and cities, we find a land of customs, so gentle and kind. Embrace the etiquette, with heart and mind. In Switzerland's embrace, joy we bind. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.